Man, I love that talk, man. People making money deals, getting clothes and shit. I love that talk, man. Keep talking that shit.
Talking that shit?
Keep talking that shit.
Bro, I got one in St. Louis, bro. I got him down to 35K, 120 ARV. Yeah, bro. And it's not even that bad.
I say if it's turnkey, I gotta buy it for it at 40.
I don't think it's turnkey, but it's gonna need probably like 15, 20 grand. Yeah.
So who's like the main seller here? Who's like closing the most deals right now?
Looking there.
You?
Yeah. Anytime you ask me something like that, I'm him. You can't ask me no question like that.
I'm him, bro.
You can't ask me no question like that. What am I supposed to say? Like,
I'm him, bro. Did you go to the game Monday? No?
Diane.
Hello?
hey, how you doing, Diane?
Oh, I'm pretty good, thank you.
Okay, awesome. This is Sheridan. We spoke.
Yeah, hi.
How you doing? I was just calling you back from the conversation we had the other day. I remembered you wanted to, get to Arkansas as fast as you can.
Yeah.
Um,
If we go, it would be nice to get there before all the snows hit in Utah.
See, here in Phoenix, it's gonna be cold next week. It's gonna be like 69 degrees, 7 degrees. That's cold for out here. So
Where is it you are?
I'm in Phoenix, Arizona.
Oh, I see. Yeah, it's a lot warmer where that is, I guess, right?
So when I feel 69, I feel cold.
Oh, boy. Yeah, 69 will be warm for us after a while,
Yeah. But I did talk to my underwriters and my team, and we do have an offer for you. And I do want you to understand this is a cash offer. So a cash offer, it's no commission fees, no closing costs. All of that will be on us, and it will be as is. So you don't have to do no repairs. You could leave the house junky if you want to. Just don't leave no holes in the wall. But
Right.
but he said that the max we could do is around 340.
340
Yes, ma'am.
or 440?
No, he said 340.
Okay, because it's the value is 490 is what our neighbors have been selling their homes for. So 340 is not anywhere near. I thought you were gonna say 440. Okay.
Yeah, it's that those homes is like fully renovated. The ones that you see there is more modern and open style homes. You do have a very nice home, but when we normally get a project like this, a property, what we like to do is go in there and renovate it and likely to rent it out to someone that most likely don't get a chance to get a nice home.
Yeah. Well, you know what? We paid. Well, it was for sale for 380.
380.
3 years ago, 380. And to get it, we had to offer them 25,000 more because everybody wanted the house. So we had to pay like whatever 405, and then the closing costs took it up to like 415. And so we don't want to. That's
Oh yeah.
way below.
Oh, I could see what you're saying. You bought it for more.
So thank you for your time. I know you spent a lot of time on it, but that's not what we're looking for. We would do better to just sell it by owner. So thank you.
Okay.
That's
If-
way below what we paid even.
Yeah.
Okay.
If I was able to go back to the underwriters and see if we would get closer to the 400s, should I even call you back then?
No, I think we would only do that in a crisis.
Okay.
Like
I understand.
if the country's at war or something. But we need to probably go more than what we paid for it, and so that isn't what we'd be interested in.
Most definitely.
But I do appreciate it.
Okay.
I appreciate all your time, and so I think you better go on to another project. Maybe. So thank you.
Most definitely. You enjoy your day. Wish you the best.
Okay. Thank you.
All right.
Okay. Bye, Sheridan.
All right. Damn. God bless you.
400. She wants 492 for that house.
Yeah, that's how much it's really worth. Like if that would be somewhat the ARV. Yeah. So like after it, like you were saying, and you said Utah they bumping everything to 500. Yeah. So everything on the block with it like fully renovated, it is going for like 490. Mm-hmm. But with when you make an investment, it wouldn't make sense to get it. That's retail price. So we need it at a discount.
If they sell to you at that price, bro, they're basically gonna go bankrupt. You know what I mean? Let's just be realistic here.
They ain't gonna go bankrupt, right? For sure. Yeah. He's like she said, it had to be a crisis, and that really like the type of when you wholesaling looking.
Hi, Miss Cedra. This is Valentino. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, and you?
I'm doing pretty good. We had spoke the other day, possibly about you were interested in selling your property. Is that still the case?
Yes, but not at the moment. We're still trying to get it ready.
To put it on the market or get it ready as like do renovations?
Get it ready to put on the market. We had to. It was my dad's house, so we had to clean it all out.
Oh yeah, that's what you're saying. They were going to be the ones that were going to be doing the talking back and forth. Is that correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Are they available to speak with? I mean, what I do, I make cash offers on as-is properties.
All right, so pretty much when it comes to the name of the game, sales, especially when it comes to cold calling, you want to go through the numbers. You can't be scared to dial. That's a fear that I think you want to just go through and like run towards. Like when you get some of the sales and you going through cold calling, you want to run towards the call. Like, do you get scared to call? Make a dial. Make another call. That's like Mando, like, because once you get over that fear of getting on the call and pressing the button, you understand that. Also, another thing that I want y'all to understand is going to be a lot of calls where people don't even answer. So pressing that button to make the call shouldn't be that hard anyway. But to get somebody on the phone, then you want to be at the part where you be able to take advantage of that opportunity because a lot of people don't answer the phone. So it's a couple of parts when it comes to this cold calling, but that's the main thing. Getting on the phone and figuring it out. Like, you can't be scared to do it. A lot of people be scared to figure it out, but it's just having a regular conversation with a person. Like, everybody put on their pants the same way, one leg at a time. Ain't nobody flying or jumping in a pair of jeans. So, like, it don't work that way. You know what I mean? So I want y'all to understand, like, look at people eye to eye, talk to them with sense, be professional, you know what I mean? Be courteous. Understand that you in a role where you can't be outraged. So, you know, have manners. Like, you feel me? But we got that certain amount of dog in you. You know what I mean? That ice in your vein to do the cold calling. Like, you feel me? I was born in the ice and the darkness. I saw that little bit of light. You know what I mean? And I got to work.
Hello?
Hi, is Mr. Schneider available?
No, he's not here. May I take a message?
Yeah, my name is Valentino. I was reaching out to him. We had spoke the other day about his property. If you want to take my number down and have him give me a call back, I'd love to assist.
Okay, let me grab a pen here real quick. Or is the one number that you're calling right now is registered, so I can tell him to give you a call?
This is my work phone number, but I could give you my personal phone number, so that way if he doesn't reach me here, he can give me a call on my personal line.
Okay, what is your phone number?
You got it. Thank you very much.
Okay, all right, I'll have him call you.
All right, my name is Valentino.
Valentina. Okay. All right.
You have a good day.
Call you. All right.
Take care.
Bye bye.
Feel me? Just had that dog in you, man. Make that call. They ain't gonna bite you. And they through the phone.
Yeah, they do the phone. You scared. It's like recording yourself. You scared of a black box to record yourself talk. No, you gotta dial the phone in order to get communication. Once you make communication, then you get opportunity to serve somebody. When you get the opportunity to serve somebody, then you build a relationship. When you build a relationship, that's something that's long term. They gonna come back around whenever they might need something, know someone, or even want to do more work with you. Name of the game.
Yeah. Just build a relationship. Make
Build
a friend.
relationship, make a friend.
Right.
They say it's money when you can make a friend in the first 5 minutes of a phone call.
I got one better. Like I'm gonna give y'all. It's a riddle. Like, how much do a polar bear weigh? Like
Enough
literally.
to break the ice. Enough to break the ice, my boy. That's how much that shit weighs.
It's supposed to be a dramatic pause, bro. Hold up, man. Let me get it right. It's supposed to be. No, man. This is for the video. This is for them to vote. Look, man. Put it in the comments. I want y'all to answer this for real. Like, how much do a polar bear weigh?
If you know the answer, go ahead and drop it in the comments.
Like, I want y'all to really think about it. Like, it's enough to break the ice. So just break the ice, man. You know what I mean? You get on the phone, try to make them laugh. Just be yourself. You feel me? Like, I answer the phone sometimes. When they answer the phone, I be like, hey, what's going on? It's Sheridan. You remember me? Of course they don't remember. They probably never even heard me before. They probably never even talked to a person that speak like I do with the accent, because I'm from D.C. So shoot, you never know. Or maybe they have, and that sparks a whole nother conversation. Oh, one of my closest friends I went to college with is from D.C. and yeah, man, we still talk to this day. You never know. So when you get on the call, just be yourself. Ask questions more about them versus just going straight to business. You know what I mean? Make yourself seem more like a person and more of a person they knew already. So when I get on a call, I talk to them in the tonality of somebody that's familiar with them. You feel me? So when I answer the phone, I be like, hey, what's going on, Gary? This is Sheridan. Yeah, how you doing? And he be like, oh, I'm doing good. How yourself? Hey, I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. So you just start off the call at such a high level, and that's like your first impression, instead of getting on the phone and be like, hey, I'm such and such with so-and-so and give me your money. Like, nah, man, get off my phone, click. So that's like one of the tricks that I feel like that's important when it comes to this cold calling and hitting the numbers up type of time. You feel me? Just gotta go through the numbers, man.